Panasonic soundbar HTB100. Main features are Panasonic HTB100 is a compact soundbar designed to enhance your audio experience. Channels 2.0 stereo. Total power output is approximately 40 watt. Speaker configuration is built-in speakers. Audio formats supported: Dolby Digital, PCM. Connectivity are HDMI, IARC audio return channel. Optical input, AUX input, 3.5M, wireless connectivity, Bluetooth for streaming music. Dimensions: width is approximately 80 cm. Case height is 10 cm. Depth is 8 cm. Product weight is around 2.2 kg. Power consumption, typically around 30 W in use and lower in standby mode. Included accessories: remote control, batteries, power cord. Design: slim and stylish design that fits well with most TV setups. Audio output delivers a total output of around 40 W, providing clear sound for various content. Channels: 2.0 channel configuration for stereo sound. Dolby Digital supports Dolby Digital for enhanced audio experience. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone or other devices.